Quick video of my trade ideas and plan for the day, covering some stocks including Verizon, Tesla, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and several others. We're swing traders, and the Stock Planner channel is a education channel, sharing our ideas, practicing, learning, and winning. Jumping right in. Trade ideas for Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. We're approaching the open. Yesterday's Dow, Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 all ended up slightly up. This is not nothing. Utilities did the worst. Basic materials did the best. Communication services for the week, and basic materials were the worst for the week. Stock market futures edged down ahead of debt ceiling talks, and this is after the retail sales. Retail sales didn't do that well. This is investing.com. It's free, but there's a lot of ads, but you have to live with it. Now I'm going to look at what's on the horizon for swing trades. I have a Discord chat, and I list out there the various different trades and trade ideas. A recent video was that Caterpillar I'm looking for a reversal to go long. On Monday, I traded some futures. I had a large loss on Friday day trading the futures, but I'm clawing my way back and ended up the day quite nicely, even under $100 after this post. Some days I got a knack for this, and some days everything I do is wrong, and that day was Friday. You can see Morgan Stanley, it's going down, but I like Morgan Stanley as a swing trade because it does have a nice swing, and I think now the reversal is coming due. The MACD says, hey, we think it's going to go up. The stochastics has been trending up, and the RSI recently crossed over the 30, which is normally a bullish sign. Morgan Stanley and I believe Goldman Sachs fits this scenario. Yes, Goldman Sachs should be popping soon. Again, nice swings if you're a swing trader. MACD looking to go up, and the RSI looking to go up. This time we had a recent crossover of the stochastic up. Oh, this is a sure sign here that it might go up. And when I have three lining up like this, three indicators lining up, even though they all are basically the same thing and there are lagging indicators, it tends to give some confidence in the signal. Of course, nobody can predict the future, and you can't predict which way a market's going just merely by indicators. You have to know what's happening with the market. And today's market is looking to go down. So you might wait to the end of the day to take a trade on Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. A lot of people trade Teladoc Health. They say it's the future of medicine. Ticker symbol TDOC. Swing, swing, swing. MACD says go up. So is the RSI. And so is the stochastic. Again, all three lining up together, that's usually a strong signal to go up. Who knows? This is an industrial ETF. Swing, 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 swing. MACD says up, stochastic says up, and the RSI is pointing up. It didn't quite cross over, but it's pointing up. I like ETFs because a lot of people trade them. XLI, up. Now here's a short. Waste Management, nice strong stock. I like this stock for the future. But last 3 days, we've had a little downturn. The MACD singling down. The stochastics is singling down. And the RSI has got a crossover. And those three signals at the same time indicate a strong probability that it may go down for a little while. Short term. Long term, I'm following this green. I think it's going up. Tesla. Well, a lot of people won't agree with me on this, but I think Tesla is going down. The MACD says down, stochastic says down, and the recent RSI crossover says down. I think we're going to have a short downturn on Tesla. But if you're a swing trader, by the way, that's just a nice swinging stock, and lots of people trade it. Very popular. Verizon, down. MACD, stochastic, and the RSI is down below the 30, which means it's oversold. Maybe it's coming back around. Hey, you might disagree with this one. This is what the signals say, is short. But this is on a support line, too. And maybe it'll bounce back soon. Yes, I guess I'm not sure. What do you think? Up or down? I'm not sure. Anyway, this was a quick video on the plan for the day. I think it's going to be exciting based on the 8:30 retail sales report. And China's retail sale report wasn't very good last night. So we'll see. Remember to do your own due diligence. Trade with us. We're swing traders. Trade with us. Join our free Discord or join our premium service. There's a listing updated 3 times a day, giving you some ideas on those MACDs, the RSIs, and the stochastics. These are ideas that you possibly could trade, and this is a great place to start, especially if you're a beginner. Okay, let's get... Let's get trading. We'll catch you on the flip.